What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at Solana because its price is making the move that we were hoping it would make, and this could open up the doors for some beautiful opportunities. And so with that said, let's not waste any more time at all, and let's get straight into the video. So looking at Solana here, what we can see is that its price is now successfully creating the RS flip that we spoke about in the last video. As many of you know, we were tracking very closely this $160 level. Of course, I said, look, Solana's price has broken the 618 to 786 macro Fibonacci zone. When that happens, the door of opportunity to the upside is wide open. Once you clear this zone right here, the door of opportunity to a 1.272 fib extension or a 1.618 fib extension from $247 to $304 does become open. And at that given point, it doesn't matter if you pull back like this. It doesn't matter if you pull back a little bit further like this. Sorry, there we go. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter what you do, right? This or this or this or whatever. That door to the upside is open, and that's where I expect us to go into the future, right? Now that we broke this, I expect us to end up here at some given point. And so what we were doing was quite simply just watching these key levels of support and seeing which one is going to hold. That's the whole game that we're playing right now. And the first one that we talked about was this one right here. We said, of course, look, there is some sort of structural inverse head and shoulders that formed. If you don't want to look at it as an inverse head and shoulders, you can look at it as a cup and handle. But one way or another, at $160, this is a massive point of resistance. And as we started to come back down towards this massive point of resistance, we were paying very close attention to see if we could get this beautiful RS flip. Now, an RS flip means a resistance to support flip. Whenever you go from being below a key point of resistance, breaking above it, coming back down, back testing it, and holding it as support, you use this previous point of liquidity as a foundation to be able to move back towards the upside, and that is what seems to be happening here with Solana. Now, generally speaking, when a company is capable of doing an RS flip or a crypto is capable of doing an RS flip, that is a strong foundation that generally will allow you to continue into a further uptrend, usually in the macro sense. And so considering the fact that we got this clearing of the 618 to 786 bucks right before this RS flip, both of those things align to me to tell me that Solana could be positioning itself to make a beautiful move to the upside, maybe even breaking back up towards $210. Now, this is the reason why we're doing some buying of Solana around this level. You guys remember over in HG Access, which is our private Discord server down in the description below, I believe it was like on the 30th. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Here we go. Just bought some more Solana as it backtest support, a tiny purchase at $166. And what you can see, $166 is right here, right? This is where we were doing a little bit of buying. And now that purchase on Solana is now up, a beautiful, nice little 4%, which isn't a ton, but it's not bad, especially with the crypto of this size. And so because of that, that is the reason why we were doing this buying here, why we were accumulating here, because we knew that there is a possible opportunity that Solana will use this support to make a beautiful move to the upside. Now, guys, don't forget, if you do want to see what I am buying, other creators are buying, if you want to be able to see exclusive live streams and seminars, exclusive content, market recaps, if you want to get access to one of the best gym callers in the world, a guy named Paquetto dropping DGen plays every day, get access to our company's alpha reports where we tell you what companies are doing things in the back end, running marketing, stuff like that. If you want to see all of that and be able to make some of these gains that our people are making, 120% from there, we can see 45% gainers there, 262% gainers there. We have community members going crazy with 500% gains, 70%, 25%, 9%, 30%, 130%. If you want access to that, go down to the link down below and go check out HG Access. But overall, look, that's the recap. That's how we got here. Now let's talk about what happens next. Okay, so what I am expecting at this given point is that Solana is going to give it a damn good try to make this move to the upside. Now, of course, the issue with that is, though, although all of this bullish stuff has happened, and although all of these good things have happened, this breakout is not confirmed, right? This support level holding is not 100% confirmed. It's only like 50% confirmed, okay? And let me tell you a few things that need to happen before I can truly be confident that this breakout to the upside and this move to $210, $220, $230 is on the way, okay? Option number one is that Solana needs to confirm this daily close above this previous high. Okay, what I want to see is Solana's price being able to put in a daily close above $173. And the reason being is because right now, although yes, we did create this wick above, right? We've created the higher high in terms of wicks. In terms of the closings, I want to see a truly strong and established uptrend in which we get daily closes above our previous high, currently sitting around $173. I want to see that the trend is truly changing because right now we've just been in a downtrend, right? I want to see that we get this truly strong break to the upside, daily daily close up here show that we're capable of getting this uptrend going. That's step number one. Step number two, I want to see that Solana's price is capable of coming back up and breaking this micro Fibonacci zone. Let me draw it out for you. The way that you can identify that is going to your previous high all the way down to your current low. This little zone rests in between these levels here. Let me get a rectangle going. $182 and $177. This is going to serve as the current test. This is going to serve as the hardest point of resistance right now for probably this week, maybe even next week, for Solana's price to be able to break. And if its price is capable of breaking this, yeah, I think that Solana's on track to head back up to $200. But really, there's no way of knowing if that's going to happen until Solana's capable of breaking $182. And so what you can see here is we have two major points of resistance still sitting directly above us. One at $173 for the daily close, and the next being at $182 for the break of the Fibonacci zone. Until these two things can happen, I'm not quite sure that Solana is going to make this move to the upside. I want it to. It seems like it can do it, but there is no confirmation that this is on the way until we're capable of breaking the 786 zone to the top side, breaking this, breaking resistance, and putting in that confirmed uptrend, which would then give us breakout targets back up towards $208 to $210, as you can see here. And so because of that, yes, Solana's doing great. It's feeling amazing. It made a beautiful move. It's doing the RS flip. Our trade is up. Everything feels good. But at the end of the day, don't rush. I am not buying any more Solana right now. I'm not going long on Solana right now on leverage. I'm not doing any of those things because I need to see this quick little resistance range getting cleared, which ends at $183. So until Solana is over $183, this breakout is not confirmed, and we still need to play with caution. And so because of that, guys, I will continue to update you as this does play out. You guys know I like to drop 5-6 Solana videos every single week. And so the next time that I have some updates for Solana, I will be updating you here, and I will be updating you over in HG Access. If you want to head over there, go check it out down in the description below and get access to so much content. It is the most value-packed crypto platform on earth. So go check that out down below. Make sure while you are down there that you do like this video so more people see it. Make sure that you do subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss another one, and make sure you tune in a little bit later as I have more videos coming for you today. But overall, of course, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Peace out, everybody.